India-China Galwan Valley standoff. The Galwan River is the highest ridge line and it allows the Chinese to dominate the Silk Route passes, which is close to the river. While tensions are suddenly on rise in this area, India is trying to construct a feeder road emanating from Darbuk Silk village to Daulat Beg Oldie Road. This road runs along the Silk River and is the most critical line of communication close to LAC. Government to launch Garib Kalyan Rozgar Abhiyan scheme for rural India. Village across 116 डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन 6 स्टेट जिसमें बिहार, यूपी, एमपी, राजस्थान, झारखंड और उड़ीसा विल ज्वाइन. यूपी, एमपी, राजस्थान, बिहार, झारखंड और उड़ीसा. World 100-meter champion sprinter Christian Coleman has been suspended temporarily for missing doping test by AIU. Azerbaijan's Grandmaster Shakhriyar Mamdarev bagged first position at the World Star Sharjah Online International Chess Championship. DK Jain term as BCCI ethics officer and ombudsman extended for a year. World Economic Forum has announced 20th cohort of technology pioneers with 100 new tech firms awardees. It consists of 2 Indian firms, Just Money and Stella Apps. India elected as UNSC's non-permanent member for 2-year term after winning 184 votes out of 193 member UN General Assembly. India was the sole candidate from Asia Pacific for 2021 to 22 term. हेडक्वार्टर है इसका UNSC का न्यूयॉर्क. India's first mobile lab for COVID-19 testing. The lab is named as Infectious Disease Diag Lab. India to send 75 tri-service members in Victory Day parade of World War II in Moscow. World War II takes place from 1939 से 45 तक हुआ था. Boycotting China is not as easy as data from key sectors show. स्मार्टफोन की बात करें तो चाइनीज प्रोडक्ट का 72% शेयर है. टेलीकॉम इक्विपमेंट में चाइनीज का शेयर 25% है. ऑटो कंपोनेंट में 26% चाइना प्रोडक्ट्स है. इंटरनेट एप्स शेयर ऑफ चाइनीज प्रोडक्ट है. 66% ऑफ पीपल यूज एट लीस्ट वन चाइनीज ऐप ऑन देयर स्मार्टफोन. शेयर ऑफ चाइनीज प्रोडक्ट इन सोलर पावर इज 90%. ट्रेड डेफिसिट है इंडिया और चाइना के बीच में 53 अप्रॉक्स बिलियन डॉलर का. इंडिया एक्सपोर्ट करता है $16 बिलियन और इम्पोर्ट करता है $70 बिलियन के करीब. यूएस प्रेसिडेंट डोनाल्ड ट्रंप हैज साइंड लेजिस्लेशन कॉलिंग फॉर सैंक्शन ओवर द रिप्रेशन ऑफ चाइनाज उइगुर मुस्लिम्स. डेक्सामेथासोन क्या है? It is an anti-inflammatory drug commonly used to treat conditions in which the body's immune system does not function properly and causes inflammation and tissue damage. वर्ल्ड रिफ्यूजी डे ऑब्जर्व करते हैं 20 जून को. फॉर्मर आरबीआई गवर्नर उर्जित पटेल विल टेक चार्ज एज चेयरमैन ऑफ द नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ पब्लिक फाइनेंस एंड पॉलिसी. India will serve as the president rotating of the powerful 15-nation UN body for the month of August 2021. The first yoga day was observed हुआ था 2015 में. इस बार योगा की थीम थी योगा फॉर हेल्थ योगा एट होम. 21 जून को मनाते हैं. World Hydrography Day is observed every year on 21 June. Ministry of Culture launches Namaste Yoga campaign. Government and Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank signed $750 million COVID-19 Active Response and Expenditure Support Program. AIIB का हेडक्वार्टर है बीजिंग में. US Senate has appointed India-American scientist Sethuraman Panchanathan as the director of National Science Foundation. Niti Aayog, along with International Transport Forum, will launch Decarbonizing Transport in India for Low Carbon Transport System. Forbes would declare Mukesh Ambani as the world's 9th richest person. The list is topped by Jeff Bezos. Garib Kalyan Rozgar Abhiyan. The first priority of the scheme is to meet the immediate requirement of workers who have gone back to their district by providing them with livelihood opportunities. It is a focused campaign of 125 days across 116 districts in 6 states to work in mission mode. UNICEF's Kid Power has listed 13 yoga stretches and poses for children. सत्यभामा पोर्टल ये लॉन्च किया मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ माइंस ने. सत्यभामा का मतलब है साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी योजना फॉर आत्मनिर्भर भारत इन माइनिंग एडवांसमेंट. HRD Minister launches Yukti 2.0 platform for higher education institute. It is a logical extension of earlier version of Yukti. Yukti मतलब Young India Combating COVID with Knowledge, Technology and Innovation. Cover different dimensions of COVID-19 challenges. RBI has appointed T. Ravi Shankar as the chairman of Indian Financial Technology and Allied Service (IFTAS). Amartya Sen to be awarded 2020 Peace Prize of the German Book Trade. Rajasthan government to launch Indira Rasoi Yojana. The scheme will have a total outlay of rupees 100 crore each year. ISRO receives patent for liquid cooling and heating garment. World Bank has released purchasing power parity for the reference year 2017 under International Comparison Program. 176 economies participated in ICP, International Comparison Program. India retained its 2011 ICP rank of 3rd position. पहले पे US पे चाइना. Amish Tripathi launches Legend of Suhel Dev, the King Who Saved India. किताब है ये. International Olympic Day is celebrated every year on 23rd June. Russia on 24th June celebrates 75th Victory Day. Victory Day marks the end of World War II and the victory of the Allied forces in 1945. India has the highest suicide rate in the Southeast Asian region. According to the World Health Organization report released last year, India's suicide rate is at 5 suicides per 1 lakh people. Union Cabinet has approved the creation of Indian National Space Promotion and Authorization Center. It is a part of Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. Union Minister Jitendra Singh has virtually inaugurated Devika Bridge in Udhampur and Punjela Bridge in Dodo region in Jammu and Kashmir. Republic of Mali has awarded project management consultancy contract to NTPC for 500 megawatt solar park development in an event hosted by ISA. Union Cabinet has approved status of Kushinagar Airport as an international airport Kushinagar is a Buddhist site and other sites like Sravasti, Kapilvastu, Lumbini lies in its vicinity. Union Cabinet has approved 6-month extension to other backward classes commission to examine sub-categorization of OBC in central list. Cabinet has approved setting up of Animal Husbandry Infrastructure Development Fund with an outlay of rupees 15,000 crore. It was managed by NABARD. Niti Aayog launches Navigating the New Normal campaign and website. It has two-part web portal and media campaign on wearing mask. Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas has virtually inaugurated Product Application and Development Center at Paradeep, Odisha. RBI has instructed bank, NBFCs and digital lending platform to disclose full information on their website to customers. International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking मनाते हैं 26 जून को every year. Khadi and Village Industries Commission has launched sandalwood and bamboo plantation initiative to spur monetization of its asset. IIT Bombay to fully opt for online classes from next semester. Health Minister launches e-blood services mobile app. Former England captain Clare Connor will be the first female president of Marylebone Cricket Club. इससे पहले कुमार संगकारा था. World first yoga university outside India has been launched in Los Angeles. इसका नाम है विवेकानंद योगा यूनिवर्सिटी वायु. Cabinet has approved 2% interest subvention approved on prompt repayment of Shishu loans under Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana for a period of 12 months. प्रधानमंत्री मुद्रा योजना स्कीम लॉन्च हुई थी अप्रैल 2015 में. The scheme's objective is to refinance collateral-free loans given by the lenders to small borrowers. Pakistan to remain on FATF Financial Action Task Force grey list. 2020 Global Education Monitoring Report released by UNESCO. GEM report assesses progress towards Sustainable Development Goal 4 on education and its 10 targets. First global report on the illegal wildlife trade was recently released by FATF. It is called the Money Laundering and Illegal Wildlife Trade Report. Madhya Pradesh this year surpassed Punjab to become the #1 contributor of wheat. लेकिन पंजाब का जो पर हेक्टेयर प्रोडक्टिविटी है वो ज़्यादा ही है. इंडियन नेशनल स्पेस प्रमोशन एंड ऑथराइजेशन सेंटर. It was created to provide private players to use Indian space infrastructure. Ashadi Beej is the second day of Shukla Paksh of Azad month of the Hindu calendar. ये जून जुलाई में पड़ता है. The Kutchi people of Gujarat celebrate their Kutchi New Year on this day. कच्छ के जो लोग होते हैं. This day is associated with the beginning of rains in Kutch, Gujarat. Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs has approved additional investment by ONGC Videsh Limited towards further development of Chevy oil and gas project in Myanmar. It was aligned with India's Act East policy and also part of India's strategy to develop energy bridges with its neighbors. ये आपका इंडिया है, ये आपका म्यांमार या कह लो बर्मा है, यहाँ चाइना, ये थाईलैंड है, ये आपका शीवी ऑयल गैस.